What's up, guys? This is Andy with Andy's Auto Care Plus. Hey, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Rugdoctor carpet extractor. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing this unboxing here. We got the Rugdoctor. I got this at Walmart, 129 bucks. I figured I'd give it a try. For something to carry around inside my van a little bit easier than my big Mytee Lite carpet extractor. So we're going to be unboxing this. I have not used one of these personally yet. Haven't opened the box, obviously. I just cut the seal. So let's check it out. We got the instructions. Looks like it's nicely packaged. Check it out. Comes with a bottle of solution, some cleaner. I don't know. I guess I'll try that out, see if it's any better than what I used already. Look at this out of here. There you go. Check it out. Looks like it's packaged pretty easily. Boom. That's it. Not a lot of moving parts, it looks like. Sweet. Little dry package. Get rid of that. So here she is. So it looks like everything's attached. It doesn't look like there's really any assembly required to this guy. Looks like it's pretty plug and play. See, the reason I picked this one, I looked at a couple different ones of these small little compact machines. One of the things I like about this right here is about, oh, I don't know, at least twice the size of the other ones they had. Plus, one of the things I was looking at was right here. You see this small amount of suction here? That's going to really isolate where it's sucking the water and all that jazz right out of a car or a carpet. So some of the other ones were very large, had big openings there. And with my experience with my Mytee Lite, getting a good suction is very, very important. So I went with a smaller one, hoping that, you know, that would cause a better suction. So, and these brushes, they're supposed to move back and forth. So we're going to see how that works on carpet. I'm going to be using it here in just a minute. So stay tuned for my next video, because I'm going to show you my first impression on this thing, actually using it. So, hey, thanks for watching, guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Stay tuned for more, guys. Thanks.